Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add page breaks in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're preparing spreadsheets for printing and want to control exactly where pages split, ensuring your data looks professional and organized on paper. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are accessible. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add page breaks. This will open your Google Sheet in full view, allowing you to see all your data and begin the customization process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of your spreadsheet, as this will help you decide where page breaks make the most sense for your printing needs. Now look at the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, click on Print. This action opens the Print Preview interface, which is where Google Sheets allows you to customize how your spreadsheet will appear when printed. You'll see a preview of how your pages currently look. In the Print Preview window, look for the option that says Set Custom Page Breaks and click on it. This is the key feature that gives you complete control over where your pages split. Once you click this, you'll notice the interface changes slightly to give you editing capabilities. You'll now see a horizontal dashed line appear on your spreadsheet. This line represents where a page break will occur when you print. Simply click and drag this line to position it wherever you want your first page break to be. Think about logical places to split your data, such as between different sections or after specific rows of information. If you need to add additional horizontal page breaks, simply drag the last line on the right side of the screen, or look for the horizontal line that appears after the row numbers. You can create multiple page breaks by continuing to drag these lines to new positions. This gives you the flexibility to divide your spreadsheet into as many pages as you need, each one breaking at exactly the right spot. Continue dragging and positioning these dashed lines wherever you want page breaks to occur throughout your spreadsheet. Take your time with this step to ensure everything is exactly where you want it. Remember, these breaks determine how your printed document will look, so precision here matters. Once you're satisfied with all your page break placements, click Confirm Breaks. This finalizes your selections and applies the page breaks to your spreadsheet. You'll immediately see the page breaks reflected in your document, and they'll remain in place whenever you print or preview this spreadsheet in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom page breaks to your Google Sheets document, giving you professional control over your printed output. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.